Lesson 7. Flowering and non-flowering plants. There are large numbers of living organisms on the Earth. These organisms differ greatly from each other. They have been divided into two broad kingdoms, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Characteristics of plants. 1. Plants are fixed to the soil or substratum by the roots. So they cannot move from one place to another. 2. The plant body generally consists of roots, leaves and stem. Classification of plants. Millions of different species of plants are found on the Earth. Some of them produce flowers and some do not. On the basis of presence or absence of flowers, plants are broadly divided into two types. I. Non-flowering plants. 2. Flowering plants. Non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants are also called cryptogams. These are the non-flowering seedless plants. Generally, they reproduce by means of spores. Characteristics. A. They don't bear flowers and seeds. B. They have autotrophic or heterotrophic mode of nutrition. C. They may be unicellular or multicellular. They are further divided into three groups. 1. Thallophyta. 2. Bryophyta. 3. Pteridophyta. 1. Thallophyta. A. They may be unicellular or multicellular. B. The plant body of them is called thallus. Thallophytes are further subdivided into two subgroups. I. Algae. 2. Fungi. I. Algae. A. They are unicellular or multicellular. B. Mostly they grow in water or in damp soil. Examples: Spirogyra, Volvox, Chlamydomonas, etc. 2. Fungi. A. They are generally multicellular except yeast. B. They are non-green plants which do not have chlorophyll in them. Examples: yeast, muca, mushroom, etc. 2. Bryophyta. A. They mostly grow in moist and shady places. B. Their plant body is called thallus except moss. Examples: riccia, liverwort, moss, etc. 3. Pteridophyta. A. They grow in moist, cold and shady places. B. They are most developed among the non-flowering plants. Examples: fern, horsetail, club moss, etc. Flowering plants. Flowering plants include various types of highly developed plants and they bear flowers and seeds. They are also called phanerogams. They are multicellular and autotrophic plants. These plants are further divided into two groups. They are: A. Gymnosperms. B. Angiosperms. Gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are the most primitive of all seeded plants. 1. They produce cones instead of the flowers. 2. They have needle-shaped green leaves. Examples: pine, cycas, fir, deodar, hoopy, etc. Angiosperms. Angiosperms are the most advanced group of flowering plants. Economically, they include the most important plants as they are the source of our basic needs like food, shelter and clothing. Monocotyledonous plants. The plants with single cotyledons in their seeds or one seed leaf in their seeds are called monocotyledonous plants. Characteristics. 1. They have fibrous root system in their roots. 2. Leaves are usually long, narrow and have parallel venation. Examples: maize, wheat, paddy, barley, bamboo, etc. Dicotyledonous plants. The dicotyledonous plants include those plants which have two seed leaves or two cotyledons in their seeds. Characteristics. 1. They have taproot system in their roots. 2. Usually leaves are broad and have reticulate venation. Example: pea, mustard, gram, mango, orange, neem, etc.